No, we didn't touch it with our hands. Just put a rag around it, picked it up.
I guess the mama would have disowned it, huh?
There's the mama right there behind you with food.
Where?
Right there.
That's the bird.
What's he coming over here for? What I did? Away from me. Come here, little guy. God, Marty. This shit is hot.
Probably burning his little feet too, and he probably doesn't know it. Probably why he's flapping his wing.
Come on, little guy.
Where'd he go? Oh.
Even there. Survival of the fittest. That's probably the same bird. You just keep dropping out.
Yep. You gotta be quicker than that. There you go.
Probably think it's the game.
Stand on my shoulder if you want.
Oh, okay. I'll put one foot up there.
Behind you.
No, don't jump.
No hurry, I got you. Oh, we put the bird back again. Mama's attacking.
Yeah.